Ready to turn the Solana ecosystem into your personal automated trading machine. Automating token buys and sells on Solana takes precision, so proceed with caution. First, you'll need a solid understanding of the Solana blockchain, including its transaction fees, block times, and the specifics of the tokens you plan to trade. Research is absolutely key. Next, choose your DEX. Radium and Orca are popular options. Familiarize yourself with their APIs, as you'll need this to interact with them programmatically, understand how to fetch real-time price data, and execute trades via their smart contracts. Now, the coding begins. Select a programming language. Python is a common choice due to its libraries that simplify blockchain interactions. You'll need libraries like Web3 for interacting with the Solana blockchain. Design your script to connect to the DEX and authenticate your wallet. Implement your trading strategy. Define clear entry and exit conditions based on technical indicators or other market signals. Crucially, incorporate robust risk management features, including stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure gains. Test your script thoroughly on a Solana testnet before deploying it to the mainnet. Monitor its performance closely, make adjustments as needed, and always be prepared to manually intervene if market conditions change unexpectedly. Remember, automation is powerful, but it requires diligent research and constant oversight to avoid potential losses.